In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Replit. Replit is a fantastic platform for coding right from your web browser, offering an easy way to start and share projects with others, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It's essential to use a modern and updated browser to ensure all features work smoothly. Type in replit.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the Replit homepage loads, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If not, don't worry. Signing up is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account, which usually involves entering an email address and creating a password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all your coding activities. Here, you'll notice several options, but the one we need is the plus create button or something similar like new REPL or create app. This button is your gateway to start a new project on Replit. Click it and we're on our way. Afterward, the fun part begins. You'll be presented with a selection of templates or environments to choose from. These options define the programming language or framework your project will be based on. Whether you're into JavaScript with Node.js, Python, or crafting some front-end magic with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, there's a wide variety to pick from. Make your choice based on the type of project you're aiming to build. Remember, choosing the right environment is crucial as it sets the stage for what's to come. Now, let's give your project a name. A good project name reflects its purpose or scope, making it easier to manage and share later on. Next, you'll set the visibility of your project. Based on your Replit plan, you can opt for a publicly available project, perfect for collaborative efforts or showcasing your work. Alternatively, if you prefer to keep it private, you can select that option too. Once you're satisfied with your choices, go ahead and click the Create button. This might also appear as Create REPL or Start Project on the platform. And there you have it. Your project is now created. Replit takes care of setting up the environment by installing any necessary dependencies and creating default files for you. You're immediately taken to the editor view, which is where the real action happens. From here, you can start writing code, organize your files as needed, and when you're ready, run your code to see it in action. Happy coding, and enjoy the seamless development experience that Replit offers.